Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and before we get started, if you haven't already, I think you should go ahead and subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. We're gonna be on this journey together. We're getting ready for the spring. We're getting ready for the summer. It's a girlfriend summer. It's a hot girl summer. It's a end of relationship summer. It's a lot of summer, all right? And we're gonna get ready for that. But before we do that, we have to install this glueless, okay, glueless water wave wig from Reshine Hair. So let's get right into it. I need to refreshen my, what is this? My foundation. I'm currently doing low ponytail foundations because my nail is broke and I haven't made it to the nail shop and it hurts so bad. So the only thing I'm going to be doing is putting my hair back in a low ponytail. Don't mind my hair. I sprayed my hair while the stocking cap was on it. Stocking cap is on. It's not even a stocking cap. This is the wig. 24-inch water wave, 180% density from Reshine Hair. Shout out to y'all. I do have a TikTok on this hair, so stay tuned to the end of the video to see my TikTok. The lace does come pre-cut, as you guys can see. And first of all, shout out to the parting space. That is beautiful. Shouts out to the fact that it is pre-cut, adjustable strap, and look at these curls. Anytime I am working with water wave hair, I love to use some type of mousse and water. We are going to spruce up the curls just a little bit and style it. I always like to start with my glueless wigs holding my adjustable strap. I just don't like for it to get lost in the sauce on my head. Pull the wig down. Y'all see my wig cap slid just a little bit? That is okay. Just pull it down. One thing I like to use to make sure my lace gets invisible. Let me show y'all first. No, I'm talking about. Let me show y'all. Where'd it go? Where did it go? I'm using an even tint wig knot. What is it? Wig knot powder. I found this at a local beauty supply store and I love it. I love it. This is the hair after it's been defined with some mousse and kind of sit. I'm gonna go in here and just take it loose a little bit. First, let's put it in the middle. I suck with middle parts. I think that's in the middle, y'all. And then with that, I'm gonna go in with some of my body right to where the parting space is and flatten it out. I'm not using no styling tools. I'm not using no water. I don't need any of that. So pretty. It's so pretty. I mean, it's secured. I'm done. That's it for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, or if you was interested in this wig, go ahead and click the link down below to check it out. And while you're down there, give me a big thumbs up so I know that this video was helpful. You found it entertaining. I don't know, did you like something about the video? Like it for me. I'm at the point in the video where I'm about to go. Please stay tuned to check out 2 TikToks that I made using this hair. Shout out to you, Reshine Hair. I am in love with this water wave texture. It is the perfect blend between wave and curl, and this spring or summer, I'm about to do it to y'all, okay? Cause what? As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, beauties. Hey y'all, I know my bonnet was doing the most, but listen, I need to tell y'all about this new glueless wig that I just got in from Reshine Hair. Hey, Reshine Hair. Yeah, don't judge me. I was a little, I was struggling to get it unpackaged, but we about to get into this box. This is how it looks, and inside the box, y'all know I gotta show y'all what's in here: the lashes, the wig cap, and the wig. The 24-inch, 180% density water wave wig. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. And guess what? I was so shocked. Pre-cut. And it's pre-plucked. I got this baby all up in y'all face because y'all gotta see this. Not me trying to show my nails on the slide, but look, I did a little dance with the hair because y'all gonna see this baby move. This water wave curl is so pretty. She can be worn glueless. Use your elastic band. That's key. I put her on. Listen, that lace is about to melt away, and I'm gonna show y'all how. Get you some lace tint or some foundation shade in your color. Not gonna lie, I went a little bright, so I did go in with my concealer, and she did what it was supposed to do. So make sure that you're using your correct shade, because that's the key to making it glueless. Do y'all see that? This is my skin. All right, this is my hair. Y'all can't tell me that it ain't. All right, listen, glueless check. I'm gonna do another one later on to make sure y'all know it's glueless. For the girlies that don't want it to be glueless, melt it down, do you. But this wig is definitely one that can be worn glueless flawlessly. Not I turned my head and my hair is wet now. Listen, I only use some mousse, but check out my next video to see how I styled it because it's very simple. Oh, and did I tell y'all that this wig is on sale? 10% off right now. You can get it for $172. 24-inch water wave. Not about to play with it. Link in bio. Bye, y'all.